So what I want you to be very wary of in terms of your trading at key levels, okay? Key levels is this right here, is the volume in the candles, okay? So as you become more experienced and you start to identify different structures and how the market is moving and key levels, etc., you can start plotting things together. And the way you're going to start doing this is identifying this with the volume of the candles. Okay, this can be used for continuations, and this could also help you to identify when to take profits if you're planning to hold your trades as a home run. If the market is pushing down and you can see price in a downtrend as a continuation is pausing, then you can look to continue to sell that, just as you've learned. If the market is creating higher highs and higher lows and you think that is a buying opportunity, then you have to rethink this, because the market creates a major level and this remains until price creates a new one. So if price comes back to this level as a double top, you sell it. And if price starts to create volume candles that start to show strong signs of bullish pressure, then followed by depletions and depletions, if you want, you can sell this as an identifying mark of a double top pattern. Okay? It's not a clean double top pattern, but it is a clean push, a clean pullback, and then price halting with price showing you a breakout and a break back in. So we bring in clean structure with a pullback, with indecision with these volume candles, a breakout, break back in, wick candle, and then the expectation of momentum. Now, this might go past a lot of your heads, okay? It might go past a lot of your heads, but the theory that you've just learned up till now, you can bring it into this scenario and find your confluences to then identify when the momentum should kick back in. Does everybody understand this?
Rocks?
Okay.
Rocks?
Yes.
So I understand that the volume candles are the ones that are after the pullback are leaving wicks.
Again, it's not going to be as perfect as that. The volume candles are going to be anything that looks like this, with wicks, whatever it may be. You're following this based off of a sequence of what the market is doing. Okay. So if you see the market, and you may see Ida's trades in the group, and she'll be taking sells here, and some people will be like, how did you get an entry here and a stop loss here? Well, this is how she's doing it, because she's understanding that the consensus of this market is down. She's understanding that the lower high has been formed and that the momentum is shifting down. And she may see this as a lower high and a pullback, and then just this wick rejection and this volume in this candle compared to what the candles have done previously on this push down is not strong enough to indicate that the market is going to push back up. So the odds, if you want to take this and sell it here, of you winning this trade and getting a high risk to reward ratio trade, if you are right with this sell stop and it goes down, you are laughing all the way to the bank. And the way you recognize that is through these volume candles. If you are wrong, the market will go up. But if you're right, you are laughing. With 1 minute time frame, you cannot always wait for the perfect break and retest and the perfect double top and the perfect triple bottom. There are times where you will need to find some guts and take these trades.
Is that like a mixed double top?
Again, we're not going to use none of that.
Okay.
But what we are saying is that if price is showing strong signs of momentum in trending down markets, and you hit these trades based on the volume and just a slight wick and of price pulling back cleanly and everything is clear, and you get into that trade, then you're laughing. Most traders will enter here, which is completely fine. But traders like Ida will enter here. And when you hit your 1 to 3, she's already hit 1 to 7. Do you understand? So this is just to highlight volume. You're not going to make this happen overnight. But at least if you know it, then guess what? You can start to identify it in the markets as time goes on and you get more experience.
Brooks,
Thank you.
just a quick one, bro. So do you see this high over here? So it broke this low. Is it this low? Is this lower high or this lower high?
No,
That is confirmed.
This one.
So this, okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay, everybody understand this? No, don't use a volume indicator because guess what? The volume indicator lags. Okay, let's continue.